Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this video tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to create a class and add students in Microsoft Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your school account, or simply open it if you're already signed in. Click Teams on the left menu. If the icon is missing, enable separate mode for chat and channels in settings. You have two options. You can join a team or class, using a code if you were given one. Or you can create a new class by creating a new team if none exists yet. When choosing to create a new team, select the class template. Click on Use this template to continue. Type the class name under team name, using this format. Grade, class description, teacher's first name and last name. You may optionally add a description for the class. Click on Create. After creating the team, a window will appear to add members. Type the students' names in the Students field, select them from the list, and be sure to add them as members, not owners. The only owners should be the teacher and the coordinator. All students must be added as members. Click Add when you finish entering all the students' names. Your class team is now ready. You land on the General channel, which acts as the home page of your class. Across the top you'll see several tabs, each with a specific purpose. The home page is the main dashboard of your class where you can add a heading or an announcement. A shared class notebook with a content library, collaboration space, and private student sections for notes and materials. Classwork, a central space to organize lessons, materials, and units, giving students structured access to all course content. Assignments, where you post tasks and students submit work, see due dates and get feedback, all organized by date and subject. Grades, shows all assignment scores and feedback, helping view results in one place. Reflect, helps students share their feelings and well-being, allowing you to support them. Insights, for tracking student activity and progress through class statistics. General is the main channel of the class, used for announcements, discussions, and overall communication. Under it you'll find posts for class messages and files for storing and sharing documents and materials. Under the Files tab, you can create and organize folders online. Let's create, for example, two folders, one for algebra and another one for geometry. Click on New, choose Folder, name the folder, and then click Create. As you can see, the two folders are now created and visible. To add files to the folders, you have two options. Either upload an existing file or create a file online. To create a file online, click New, then choose a file type, for example, Word document. After that, you may be redirected to sign in with your school credentials again. Once signed in, the file will open in your browser and you can start editing it directly. When you finish editing, just close the file. It saves automatically online and takes you back to Microsoft Teams. To rename your file, click the three dots, select Rename, type the new title, and click Update. To go back to the folder, just click on its name. To upload existing files, open the folder where you want to add them, click Upload Files, select your file, click Open, and it will be uploaded. Wait until the message appears at the bottom saying that your file has been uploaded. In addition, you can share files uploaded in the General tab with anyone you want by adding their email, and a notification with the file link will be automatically sent to them. To do this, click Share and add the person's email. In the drop-down menu, you will see options like Can Edit, Can View, or Can't Download. Be careful when sharing. Make sure to choose Can View to give view-only access and send. Close the window after sharing. To send a message in Microsoft Teams, click on the Posts tab and then click Start a Post. Add a subject, type your message and then click Post. As you see, the post will be visible to everyone in the class. If you need to add a student after creating the class, click the three dots next to your class name, select Add Member and enter the student's name or email. After adding the student, they'll become a member of the class and gain access to all existing files. For more video tutorials, subscribe to our channel.